In this video, I'll show you how you can generate the QR code for free. You can use QR code for various purposes. For example, here is the QR code generator, and you can see here you can generate the URL, visiting card or V card, quickly get the SMS or connect to Wi-Fi and all of that. You can search this if you search for QR code generator. So first link after ads will be QR code generator and qr-code-generator.com. So I have opened the website here, qr-code-generator.com. If you want to use the QR code to get you the URL, so which means that once the URL is QR code is scanned, so it will quickly redirect to URL. Similarly, you can use this for visiting card, for the text or email, or these are all the options. So if you want to have the Facebook button, so you can generate the QR code, but most of the options are for free. Some of the options are not for free. So what is available for free is the URL and visiting card. So for visiting card, once you have this visiting card, the moment you save this as QR code, so the person who scans that QR code, it will automatically display the contact and will allow him to save the contact. So I'll fill this form quickly. So I have filled this form here. Now you can see here all the information is available. The moment I generate the QR code, it will create the QR code here. And now, of course, the option is available for free. You can download this as JPG or you can download this as vector image. Alternatively, I can also press Shift, Windows sign and S sign together. Windows, Shift and S. It will allow me to crop a specific area or to take the screenshot of a specific area. So I'll take screenshot of this specific area. Now this QR code has been saved to my snipping tool. So I can click here and it will open it for me. You can see here it has opened in a new screen here, and I can simply save this. You can see here save button is here. I can save this and then I can share it or print it or use it for the purpose of visiting card. So this is the option, this is the way you can generate your QR code.